Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If y'all have noticed, Matt and I have not made any YouTube videos for quite a long time, but you know what? I'm back and I'm ready to make some more videos. Honestly, I miss making YouTube videos. There's just something different about talking and interacting and playing with things and talking about makeup instead of just sitting there and just doing makeup. So I'm excited to start doing more YouTube videos. Definitely more reviews, products that have just launched, just testing them out, demos, whatever y'all want. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos y'all want me to see. And yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Colourpop X Barbie collection. Oh my gosh, you guys. This collab is just, I think we needed this. It's very nostalgic as well. Love the packaging. Let me show you guys all the packaging. So this PR box has this cute design right here, the Barbie world. And let me go ahead and show y'all what was in it. First, let's just start off with this little tiny mirror. It is so cute. It's actually pretty small when you hold it in the hand and compare it to the face. But I mean, it definitely works and it's definitely a mirror. It's so cute. I love the shape of it. Next, there is a Super Shock highlighter. And this is in the shade Beach Party. So let's open it up. Here is what it looks like. Ooh, look at that glow, honey. Has like a little marbling effect. There are eyelashes. These are the doll lashes. And they are faux. So there is one pair of these. And I think my most favorite part of the collection is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Malibu Barbie palette. So here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Lots of fun, bright colors, and then also some of your good neutrals. This screams summer, it really does. So we also have 3 lip duos. Here are what they look like. You guys, these graphics that they're doing are just, they're so cute. They're spot on. I love it. I actually did used to play with Barbies when I was a kid. Yeah, I have 3 sisters, so I definitely played with Barbies. If you guys played with Barbies when you were a kid, let me know in the comments down below. Polly Pockets was my shit though. All right, first off, we have Dream House. And here is what this one looks like. Oh, okay. And then we have the lip liner, which this is interesting. It's a little bit different of a color. This one has more of a lilac purple to it. Next, we have Malibu Sunset. This one is kind of like a reddish berry color. And then the lip liner as well. And this one does match the lipstick that it goes with. And the last duo is Golden Beach. Oh, I like this one. This one is like a peachy nude, maybe a little bit mauve-y, if you know what I mean. And then the lip liner is pretty much the same, but it's less orange and peachy. It's more of just like a brownish mauve color. So those are all the items that they have sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and use all of these. So I'm just gonna start by jumping into the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go straight into the eyes. But first, let me put on some foundation. All right, so first off, I'm going to go into the shade West Coast, which is that yellow shade in the eyeshadow palette. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing this on the inner parts of my crease. So most of the time when I do my makeup looks, I just sit down and whatever comes to my mind is what I do. So sometimes I just have to sit there and think about what am I doing? So my favorite thing about Barbies when I was younger was probably just dressing the girls, doing the fashion and the styles. I just liked kind of designing houses too. That was just always so fun. And that was the only thing out that you could style people and design houses and do all that fun stuff. So this yellow is pretty pigmented. I gotta say, it went on very easily, blending out very easily. Just gonna go ahead and blend that out a little bit and then go ahead and finish the crease with orange. So I'm just gonna blend these 2 shades together. So I just changed my mind on the crease, which I typically do when I'm doing makeup because I don't plan anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the crease off actually with the pink shade, which is called Best Coast. And I'm just gonna pack that on the outer part of the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take that blue eyeshadow called Malibu Memories. I'm going ahead and pack it on my eyelid. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I have a feeling that when I start blending this into the other colors, it's going to make new colors. So it's making a little bit of purple over here with the pink. So I gotta kind of try to avoid that. All right, so the blue is on. The blue honestly did not stick to my lid. It went on very pretty, very nicely. And then as I started to blend it, it started to chalk off. And you guys can see that it's still getting pretty patchy. Whenever I touch it, it just kind of like picks it up. So there's that. So I'm gonna leave this eye alone for now and then go ahead and jump to the other eye. All right, so as you can see, my face is completed. I went ahead and did that off camera and I did the other eye. So here is where we're at. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink shade that I did before and I'm gonna go ahead and run that underneath the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a pink eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and run it in the lower lash line to blend in with the pink eyeshadow that is underneath. So now I'm going to use the first shimmer in the eyeshadow palette called Cali Girl, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner to give me a nice highlight. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then I will be back to throw the eyelashes on. The glue I'm going to use is from Tati Lashes. I think this is one of the best eyelash glues I've ever used. Like, it's so easy to put lashes on when you have this glue because it goes right in place and it doesn't move. Oh, I also curled these eyelashes with my eyelash curler. So if you didn't know that you could curl false lashes, yes, you can. And then I'm gonna wait probably 30 seconds to a minute for this stuff to get tacky, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on. While I'm waiting for the eyelash glue to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the tops of the cheeks with the highlighter that came with the collection. So I'm just going to do a small amount and just... Oh yeah, that's pretty. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the first lash on. So I really like this lash band because it is super duper thin. It reminds me of the Ardell Wispies. All right, and the lashes are on. They feel very comfortable. They were very easy to go on. They are more on the natural side, I will say, but you know what? That's okay. Ooh, I'm over here rhyming. Okay, now I just have to do like a lip or something like that. Okay, for lips, I'm going to go with the Lip Duo Malibu Sunset. This is the pink set. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lip liner. And now the lipstick. Okay, that was low-key satisfying, filling in my lip with this, because this is some full coverage color. All right, guys, here is the completed makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It feels good to be back making videos again. So make sure you do keep an eye out for more. Like I said before, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So I really enjoy this collection. I do have to say, I mean, honestly, Colourpop, their makeup is amazing. Almost everything they do, I love, and they do it right. I do have to say that the only thing I don't like about this collection so far is the blue eyeshadow. For some reason, I had trouble with it. I mean, I still kind of do. As you guys can see, like, I've applied this eyeshadow multiple times, layered it over and over throughout the process of this video, and you can see that like it's starting to wear off. This side's a lot lighter than this side. When I blended it into the other colors, it started to turn like a dark purple brown. It was weird. It started getting weird, and that's why you don't see it really fluffed out and blended out, because I usually like to have everything blended and smoked out, but this eyeshadow wasn't doing that. Other than that, I have enjoyed everything. I love, 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 love the packaging. It's so cute. This little mirror was helpful and useful. I used this throughout the whole video. If you like natural lashes, man, you're gonna like these. These are super easy to apply, and yeah, they're pretty cute. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a good like, because that helps out our channel. Also, feel free to share this video with anybody else, family, friends, or on your social media. If you guys have any requests on videos, anything you'd like me to do, go ahead. Like I said, leave it down below. I want to know. Hey, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it, because I can make a rhyme anytime. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.